Hello, everybody. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something in the way of your doing it. The time will pass because time always passes anyway. But we must just put the best possible use of the passing time because life is not a spectator sport. Everybody has to play it. You cannot sit back and watch things happen. Okay, so just participate in every activity and change your life. So, with this, I will start today's work. The first word for today is grovel. Grovel. Grovel means crawl or creep on ground, remain prostrate. Example, even though we have been defeated, do not we do not have to grovel before our conquerors. Now during war times, soldiers grovel on the ground and move forward with their guns to fire to their enemies. Also, in Hindu culture, many devotees grovel on the ground before their deity to show their reverence for the god. Next word is grudging. Grudging. Grudging means unwilling, reluctant, indifferent. Example, we received only grudging support from the mayor, despite his earlier promises of aid. His grudging actions to our plan or his grudging body language made us gave us a clear indication that he is not interested in the proposal. Next word is gruel. Gruel. Gruel means thin, liquid porridge. Example, our daily allotment of gruel made the meal not only monotonous but also unpalatable. Palatable dish is something that pleases the senses of taste, and unpalatable is the opposite of it. Next word is grueling. Grueling. Grueling means exhausting. Example, the marathon is a grueling race. All of the energy is exhausted after you finish it. Next word is gruesome. Gruesome. Gruesome means grizzly. Now, grizzly, what is grizzly? Grizzly means horrible. People screamed when her gruesome appearance was flashed on the screen. Next word is gruff. Gruff. Gruff means rough mannered. Example, although he was blunt and gruff with most people, he was always gentle with children. The gruff mannered boy was gender. Sorry. Gruff mannered boy was gentle to the elderly. Next word is guffaw. Guffaw. Guffaw means boisterous laughter. Boisterous laughter and boisterous means noisy. So when somebody has noisy sound produced when he or she laughs, then we can call it as guffaw. Example, the loud guffaws that came from the closed room indicated that the members of the committee had not yet settled down to a serious business. They are just sharing jokes. Next word is guile. Guile. Guile means deceit, duplicity. double dealing. Example, she achieved her high position by guile and treachery. Next word is guileless. 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 Guileless means without deceit. It is just opposite of guile. He is knave, simple, and guileless. He cannot be guilty of a fraud. Next word is guise. Guise. Guise means appearance, costume. Example, in the guise of a plumber, the detective investigated the murder case. Secret agents and spies wear different characters, different guise to deceive their enemies and collect information from the surroundings. Next word is gullible. Gullible. Gullible means easily deceived. Example, he preyed upon gullible people who believed his stories of easy wealth. Next word is gustatory. Gustatory. Gustatory means affecting the taste of sense of taste. Okay, stimulating the sense of taste. Example, the Thai restaurant offered an unusual gustatory experience for those used in a bland cuisine. Next word is gusto. Gusto. Gusto means enjoyment, enthusiasm. Example, he accepted the assignment with such gusto that I feel he would have been satisfied with a smaller salary. The new recruit accepted the dangerous assignment with gusto, as if he had done it before. Next word is gusty. Gusty. Gusty means windy, full of air rushing from different directions. Okay, that is called gusty. Example, the gusty weather made sailing precarious. Now, why it made it precarious? Because air was trying to go inside your blinking eyes. You are not able to see where to go. Next word is gyroscope. 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 Most mechanical engineers are familiar with this gyroscope. It is an apparatus used to maintain balance, ascertain direction, etc. in sailing vessel and in aeroplanes, in automobiles too. Example, by using a rotating gyroscope, they were able to stabilize the vessel, counteracting the rolling movements of the sea. Next word is hackles. Hackles. Hackles are hairs on back and neck, especially of a dog. Example, the dog's hackles rose and he began to growl at the sound of as the sound of footsteps grew louder. Next word is hackneyed. Hackneyed. Hackneyed means commonplace, trite. Example, the English teacher criticized her story because of its hackneyed and unoriginal plot. Next word is haggard. Haggard. Haggard means wasted away, gaunt. After his long illness, he was pale and haggard. His chronic illness led him to a haggard state. Next word is haggle. Haggle. Haggle means argue about prices. Most females haggle with shopkeepers about the prices of their items. Example, I prefer to shop in a store that has a one price policy because whenever I haggle with a shopkeeper, I am never certain that I paid a fair price for the articles I purchased or not. Next word is halcyon. Halcyon. Halcyon means calm, peaceful. In those halcyon days, people were not worried about sneak attacks and bombings. Next word is hale. Hale. Hale means healthy. Example, after a brief illness, he was soon hale. Sometimes people or disciples say their wishes for health about their deity or any leader by attaching the name to this word hail. Next word is hallowed. Hallowed. Hallowed means blessed, consecrated, something considered as divine. Example, she was led in to rest in the hallowed compound. Another way, she was led to rest in hallowed ground. Next word is hallucination. Hallucination. Hallucination means delusion. Example, I think you were frightened by a hallucination that you created in your own mind. Ghost is not present, it is just a hallucination. Many scientists believe that ghosts are hallucinations. They are just an outcome of any error of your mind. Next word is halting. Halting. Halting means faltering, hesitant. Example, novice extemporaneous speakers often talk in a halting fashion as they group for the right words. Next word is hamper. Hamper. Hamper means obstruct. Example, the minority party agreed not to hamper the efforts of the leader to secure a lasting peace. The construction of dam in any area hampers the flora and fauna of the regions downstream. Next word is hap. Hap. Hap means chance, luck. Example, in his poem Hap, Thomas Hardy objects to the part chance plays in our lives. Now the opposite of this hap will be hapless. Hapless means unlucky. Okay, lacking chances. Next word is haphazard. H-A-P-H-A-R. Sorry, haphazard has spelling Haphazard. Hap means chance and haphazard means by chance, random occurrence of something. Example, his haphazard reading left him unacquainted with the authors of the book. Next word is hapless. Hapless. Hapless means unfortunate. Example, this hapless creature had never known a moment's pleasure. The creation of nuclear bombs is considered as an hapless event by many visionaries of the time. Next word is harangue. Harangue. Harangue means long, passionate, and vehement speech. Okay. Example: in her lengthy harangue, the principal berated the offenders. Next word is harass. Harass. Harass means annoy by repeated attacks. Example: when he could not pay his bills as quickly as he had promised, he was harassed by his creditors. Babysitters are also harassed by young ones whom they take care of. Next word is harbinger. Harbinger. Harbinger means forerunner. Example: the crocus is an early harbinger of spring. The rain in this region is just an early harbinger of greenery to follow. Next word is harbor. Harbor. Harbor means provide a refuge for, hide. Example: the church harbored illegal aliens who were political refugees. Harbor actually means to provide shelter. Next word is hardy. Hardy. Hardy means robust, sturdy. Example: we asked the gardening expert to recommend particularly hardy plants that could withstand our harsh New England winters. Next word is harping. Harping. Harping means tiresome, dwelling on a subject. Now, there are some subjects by which, when you study them, you feel relaxed, and some are of the type who cause harping. You feel tired after studying them. Okay, so harping means tiresome dwelling on a subject. When you cannot let go the subject, you have to study, and after finishing, you will feel tiresome. Example: after he had reminded me several times about what he had done for me, I told him to stop his harping on my indebtedness to him. Next word is harrow. Harrow. Harrow means break up ground after plowing. Torture. Example: I don't want to harrow you at this time by asking you to recall the details of your unpleasant experience. Okay, so this was the last word for today. Thank you.